Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a picture and picture, or in other word, how to multi-layer it in the CapCut apps. So, for example, I already have a video here, and I'm going to add the another video on top, another video. So just click on the add icon here, or you are just going to add the you are just going to click to select overlay, select add overlay, and select your video that you want to add. Just click add. So you can adjust for the position, you can adjust for the scale, just put pinchers, adjust for the position, and you can adjust for the duration. So you can also add more videos or just picture. Select, I'm going to add another video. Click add, just for the scale, just for the position, and just for the duration. So that's all. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching.